Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you how to create this floating comments effect in After Effects, the same effect you've probably seen in Instagram Reels and music videos. It looks complicated, but I'll break it down step by step. And later in this video I'll show you how you can learn all these effects step by step in my full video editing course, so stay tuned. Step 1. Preparing the comments. First, you want to create your fake comments. Add comments to a story, remove the video and take a screenshot. Repeat 6-8 times with the different comments. Then drag all the screenshot into Photoshop and remove the background on each one, leaving just the text. Step 2. Tracking the scene. Open After Effects, apply 3D camera tracker to a clip, click track camera, enable detailed analysis and let it render. Once done, create a new camera. This will allow us to attach the comments realistically in 3D space. Step 3. Placing the comments. Drop your comment images into the timeline, turn on 3D layer and motion blur for each. Move them in a 3D space, different angles, depths and positions. Set opacity to 70% and copy-paste across all layers. Check this out. Once you do this, your comments start floating dynamically in this scene. And this is a perfect moment to mention. If you want to master all these effects step by step and learn how to edit professionally for social media and music videos, I've created a full course. Inside the course I cover all the techniques, presets and workflows I use in my projects. If you're serious about taking your editing to the next level, check the link below. Step 4. Adding animation and effects. Select all comment layers, apply wave warp effect using Animation Composer plugin. This gives a subtle floating motion, making your text feel alive. Then drag your earthquake footage into the timeline, make it 3D, enable motion blur and position it in the scene. Finally add lumetri color and adjust white balance to blend everything nicely. And that's it, your floating comments effect in After Effects. If you want the full project file and all the assets, check the link below. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss more tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.